Good morning and welcome back. It's been a while. It's currently June, so it's been about 2 months since the last video, but we've been buying parts. Things are happening slowly. We are in the trusty Ranger today, heading out to Cranbourne to go and pick up a major pace. We are heading out to Cranbourne to pick up a major. My lord, it has been some time. I cannot talk. We are out to pick up a major piece of the outside appearance, a set of wheels. So we're looking at SVs, we were looking at E3s, we were looking at Super Sports, we were looking at a bunch of different wheels to put on. I have settled on a wheel that is my personal favourite and is personally what I think is the best wheel that HSV ever made, hands down, full stop. So we're on the way to go get that, and we'll see when we put them on the car in a little bit. Alright, I got the new wheels. Couple of hours of shit talk done. Now we're battling daylight, so I'm gonna go and try and get them on the car and try and make this quick little fast little update. Let's do it. Alright, so yesterday didn't go as planned. It is a new day. Gonna get the car out, gonna get the wheels out of the Ranger, which is over there. Get the car out and then put them on. They've got to come back off because I've got to paint them, but I've got to get the paint. I'm going to do that myself as opposed to sending it to a shop. I like to feel like I'm pretty handy in that regard, but I want to keep this short, sweet and quick. Going to get the car out, pull it out, still needs to get lowered anyway, so I just want to know what they're going to look like on it and if they look as good as I envision. So, on the old handy cam, obviously ignore the fact that the last person that owned these obviously had some activities going on when they were painting it, but yeah, this is the look I was after. I wanted SVs, these will do for now. All things aside, just a quick one to showcase new wheels. More content will be coming. I'm in the process of getting parts together to do a cam job. It'll happen, but for the moment I'm just going to enjoy looking at that every day because that's a damn good sight.